It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Get ahead of the summer air conditioning repair rush by having your system tuned up now so you're ready to go when the heat waves come. Approved Home Pro and home performance expert Bob Briley from WeCare is here with the latest on that. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
This is a good time because the weather's all over the place, Bob.
Yeah, we're having a weird weather system right now. I mean, we're having rain, we're having heat. I mean, it's just all over the place. And then you got to think about, hey, is my air conditioning going to be ready when it actually is going to be hot outside?
Right, so you don't want to turn it on for the first time when you really need it and something goes wrong.
No, because after a while, all the companies are getting busy, so you're going to have to wait a couple days, a week, and you want to get it done now. So just give us a call. We'll come out and do a maintenance on it. We'll check your system, make sure everything's ready, so when you flip that switch, you are going to get cold air out.
Okay, speaking of the system, because it's not just about that, what about HVAC?
HVAC is actually a terminology which means your whole system, heating, air conditioning, and ventilation. So it's basically your whole system.
See, I learned
in your
something
house.
new.
Yeah.
How about that?
And it's basically what we do is we'll come out and we'll check your furnace, because your furnace is actually still works during the air conditioning cycle. That is actually the air distribution center. That's how the cold air gets blown through your house. So we're going to come out, we're going to check out your furnace or your FAU, make sure it's working properly. We'll go out to the condenser, check your freons, check your amp levels, make sure everything is running perfect. So when you do get to turn it on, it's going to be working great.
Okay, so if you hear a lot of grunting and groaning from the system and you think, okay, is it worth it to get it fixed, or when do you know you need to just get it replaced?
You got to look at how old your system is and how much the repair bill is going to cost you. At one point, you got to say, hey, I'm going to be spending a lot of money putting a Band-Aid on this system, and it's just going to get me through how long? You never know. It could get you to a week, it could get you all summer. At one point, you just got to say, hey, I might as well bite the bullet, go ahead and invest in a new system. It's going to be cheaper to run with a new system anyway. The efficiencies are so much better now that you're going to save money.
Okay, and really quick, there's a celebration of sorts going on. What is that?
It's the XC25. It's the 5th year of it. So we're having a great promotion right now. We're rolling back the prices to 2013. So that's going to be a great offer for anybody who wants to have that particular system. All of our prices are awesome right now.
Okay, thank you so much, Bob. Good to see you. Schedule your tune-up now so your repairs or upgrades can be squared away before the summer heat kicks in. Call WeCare at 619-333-8646 today. You can find WeCare and dozens of other approved pros on ApprovedHomePros.com.